What's up, guys? I totally forget where I left off when I was last recording because it's now Tuesday and the last time I was recording was on Sunday. We got a lot more snow since then, so yesterday I went out with my drone again, got some other cool pictures and videos. Going out again. I'm going to start driving right now. The second place that I wanted to get to on Sunday but didn't have time to because it got too dark. I'm actually on my way there now, just a few minutes away. So this is a nice lake. It's out in the woods. It's really secluded. The trees out here are so cool right now because there's just a lot of snow all over the branches. And that's why I really forced myself to get out today. Not even forced myself. I was very excited. But I really had to get out here to make sure I took full advantage of all the snow on the trees. Yesterday when I was driving past here, there was actually a family of deer. And I got some cool photos and videos of that. I'll put it up right now. Some of it got in slow-mo. There was like a baby deer eating off the tree. That was really cool. Nice spotting. But today, mainly focused on just getting over to the lake and getting some cool video clips. And I gotta say, on Sunday and yesterday, it was snowing pretty heavy, and the Mavic Air 2 actually handled flying up in the snow really well, even for a few hours at a time. And I was actually pretty surprised. I know I don't want to fly it out in the rain. I feel like that's a little too extra and it could get a little too wet very easily. But just flying out in the snow, I think it was just that middle ground where it was able to handle it pretty well. So pulling up to the lake right now, it's actually kind of like spot 2A and then spot 2B, which I'll get to a little bit later. But I'm gonna hop out and get the drone flying out here. So walking out here, something I learned quickly yesterday is that in the snow, there's not really anywhere to land the drone. You don't want to land it right in the snow. So I brought this big piece of plastic that I have in my car, and that's going to be a nice place to take off and land on. And actually, because earlier today I was flying the drone again, I tried catching it with my hand. It dropped itself down maybe a little too much in the wrong angle and got a little bit of a cut. I don't know if you can see, it's super tiny, but I got a little bit of cut actually through my fingernail. So those blades, those propeller blades are actually pretty strong. So let's get them up in the air, not trying to waste any more time. Successful landing, on to the next spot. Let's get to it. So something I'm gonna really go for, especially with the drone, is get it up high, get it over those trees, way over there, and just kind of get a cool movie-looking cinematic shot straight down from over the trees. Snow falling down, you got a lot of snow on the branches already, so it really looks like something out of like a winter movie. It's gonna get dark in about 30 minutes, so let's get the drone up. All right, so he's out on his way. Keeping an eye on it, and that auxiliary light that they have on these is actually really useful for stuff like this. Oh man, this is a cool shot. I don't know if you guys can hear this, but there's a ton of geese flying by right now. And ideally, let's not hit any of them, right? Actually, I'm way higher up than they are, so I'm not worried about it. And I'm slowly pulling on the gimbal so that the camera angles itself down a little bit as I'm flying over this lake. So something I'm going to do next right now is this little bridge here on the left of the camera. I'm going to get way down and kind of get almost ground level with it. I'm bringing it down, bringing it down. This is actually not a bad shot right now. While I'm just bringing the drone down to get to its next spot. Okay, so now that I got it at a good spot, it's about 20 feet over the water. I have it in cinematic mode, or I guess you call it tripod mode. And we're gonna move forward, going slow, it's like 10 miles an hour. And I'm raising my altitude very slowly. Actually, let's pick up the speed on the altitude gain. So we're gonna pick that up. Yeah. Now we can reel a little bit more of the river. And as we come up over these trees, we're gonna see even more of the river. And again, I'm angling the gimbal down very slowly now so that the camera points itself towards the river here. You know what I'm going to do is just kind of bring it down closer to the treetops very slowly. I can already tell it's getting a lot darker. Alright, I'm going to stop that clip and let's take it back over to me. Fortunately, I kind of know this area well, so I can kind of just eyeball where we are. Alright, we have it in sport mode. Slow him down a little bit. Don't want him crashing into a tree by accident. He doesn't like seeing me here. Alright, as I'm packing it up here, just want to have some closing thoughts. It was really cool coming out here again. Hopefully I get a little bit more time tomorrow to get more of the snow. As of right now, it's getting a little too dark, but again, this is like my third day out in a row, freezing cold, taking my drone out and just having fun. So as I said in my earlier video this year, done is better than perfect. Just get out here. Didn't really have a plan, but I just knew there'd be some cool trees with a lot of snow on them, and I get some cool shots with the drone. So again, hope you guys have been appreciating how much content I've been putting out here on YouTube. I'm gonna really try to keep doing this. Have had a couple more subscribers and other people commenting saying they like what I've been posting. So really, if you like any of these videos, leave a comment, what you like about what I'm doing, any tips, if you know anything about drones, what I could be doing better. But regardless, please like the video, share it with others, subscribe to the channel, smash the subscribe button, as they say. So I'll leave it there, being corny, and have a good night, everyone.